A raised to the power of b minus b raised to the power of a equals 17. Find a and find b. And a and b are positive numbers. Hi there, this is Daily Mathematics, and today we want to work this out. So first things first, solution. So let's write the question. A raised to the power of b minus b raised to the power of a equals 17. What do we do here? Now the first thing I want to do is to multiply both powers by 2 over 2. Multiply both powers by 2 over 2. Multiplying both powers by 2 over 2. And why am I doing that? 2 over 2 still equals 1. And so when you do any number raised to the power of 1 is still that same number. So it can be done. It's allowed. So a raised to the power of b raised to the power of 2 over 2 minus b raised to the power of a multiplied by 2 over 2 equals 17. Right? So with this done, so when we have a raised to the power of m over n, right? If we have a raised to the power of m over n, it can still be equal to a raised to the power of 1 over n raised to the power of m. Why? Because 1 times m, we can multiply the powers. 1 times m equals m over n, so it's still the same thing. So that's exactly what we're going to do here. So here we're going to have a raised to the power of b over 2 squared minus b raised to the power of a over 2 squared equals 17, right? So from here you can see we have differences of 2 squared. So from here, when we have a squared minus b squared, it equals to a plus b, a minus b, right? Yes. And so what's the next thing to do? So from here we have a raised to the power of b over 2 plus b raised to the power of a over 2 bracket a raised to the power of b over 2 minus b raised to the power of a over 2 bracket equals 17, right? Yes. So from here we can see let's, to avoid the complication of the letters, we can say let a raised to the power of b over 2 equal x, and let b raised to the power of a over 2 equal y, right? So from here we can have a raised to the power of b over 2 equals x plus y, right? And from here we have x minus y equals 17. So what's the next thing to do? So what are all the factors of 17? We want to find factors of 17. We have 1 times 17, and we have minus 1 times minus 17, right? But since we were told that a and b are going to be positive numbers, we are not going to use this other factor, so it's cancelled out. So we're using this factor because that is positive factors of 17. So from here we have x plus y bracket x minus y equals 1 times 17, right? Yeah, so how we're going to equate each bracket to a factor of 17. And how do we do that? So we have x plus y equals what? So x plus y, that means x plus y is going to be greater than x minus y. So we're going to give it a greater value. We're going to equate it to a greater value. So x plus y equal, what's the greater value in 1 and 17? 17. And x minus y equals 1. Right? So this we can term it as equation 1 and this as equation 2, right? So from equation 1 we have, okay, let's work it out in an elimination way. So we add both equations. X plus x gives us 2x, y minus y cancels, and so we have 17 plus 1 18. Variable side by the coefficient of the letter, which is 2, x equals 9. That is for x. So we will substitute x equals to 9 in any equation of your choice, either equation 1 or 2. I choose equation 1, right? Equation 1 says x plus y equals 17, and so x becomes 9. 9 plus y equals 17. Y equals 17. This is plus 9. When it crosses the equal to sign, it changes to minus 9. y equals 8. So y equals 8, and you see here x equals 9. So from here, xy equals 9 8, right? Correct. And remember here we said something that let a raised to the power of b over 2 equal x and b raised to the power of a over 2 equal y. So from here let's have this. We have a raised to the power of b over 2 equals x, and we see x here to be 9, so a raised to the power of b over 2 equal 9, right? So from here we can square both sides, and we see 2 cancel 2 here because they can be multiplied. So a raised to the power of b equals 9 raised to the power of 2, that's 9 squared, that's 81, right? A raised to the power of b equals 81 is 3 raised to the power of 4. 3 raised to the power of 4. So I think you can see what we're looking at. A equals 3, b equals 4. 81 is 3 raised to the power of 4, so a equals 3 here and b equals 4, right? So the second one tells us b raised to the power of a over 2 equals 8. B raised to the power of a over 2 equals y. So let's write it here. B raised to the power of a over 2 equal y. So from here, still square both sides, right? And so square 2 cancel 2. We have b raised to the power of a equals y was 8. 8 raised to the power of 2. B raised to the power of a equals 8 squared is 64. So from here, b raised to the power of a equals 4. 64 is 4 raised to the power of 3, right? That means b is 4, b equals 4, and a equals 3. So you can see that it's the same answer for a here equals 3, b equals 4. That's the same answer we got, right? So we've gotten our value for a and b, right? So let's come here so we can see ab equals 3 4, right? Correct. So let's verify our answer. Here, let's check our answer. Let's check our answer here. So the question says here, a raised to the power of b minus b raised to the power of a. So let's have it. A raised to the power of b minus b raised to the power of a equals 17. And here, for the value of a, we had 3. For the value of b, we had 4. Minus the value of b, we had 4. A, we had 3. Right? Equals 17. Right? So from here, 3 raised to the power of 4, that's 81. Minus 4 raised to the power of 3, that's 64, equals 17. So 81 minus 64, 81 minus 64, 11 minus 4, 7, 7 minus 6, 1. So 17 equals 17. That is correct. So our answer for A is 3, our answer for B is 4. That brings us to the end of this wonderful question. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for doing that.